In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace draw.io shapes in Confluence. We'll work right inside the diagrams editor embedded in your Confluence page. Open the page that contains your diagram, or create a new one so you can follow along on the canvas. In the editor, the canvas sits in the center, and on the left you'll see the shape library with categories like general, flowchart, and more. That's where you'll pick the replacement shapes. Let's start with the drag and drop replacement. Choose the new shape you want from the library on the left and begin dragging it toward the shape you want to change on the canvas. Don't drop it as soon as you're over the canvas. Instead, hover directly over the existing shape until you see blue circular replace arrows. That visual cue tells you the editor is ready to swap the shape. Release the mouse, and the original shape is replaced by the one you dragged. Connectors and alignment are preserved, and in many cases the text stays with the shape, so you won't need to redo your lines. If you drop the shape without seeing the blue arrows, it will be added as a new object instead of replacing. No problem, just undo and try again. If the arrows don't appear, zoom in for precision and hover near the center of the target. If the shape is part of a group, select that specific shape first, and if the result isn't what you expected, press Ctrl Z on Windows or Command Z on a Mac to revert instantly. Now for the faster option, Shift-click Replacement. First, select the shape you want to replace on the canvas. Then hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click the new shape you want from the library. The replacement happens immediately. No dragging needed. This is ideal when you want precise swaps without nudging your layout. Connectors remain attached, the position is preserved, and your flow stays intact. If nothing changes, confirm that exactly one shape is selected and that you're shift-clicking a shape from the library, not another object on the canvas. Keep Shift pressed until you click, then release it. A couple of quick tips while you work. Use the search bar at the top of the shape library to find shapes faster, and after replacement, fine-tune the style, size, or labels in the Format panel so everything matches your diagram's look. If the new shape's proportions differ, a minor resize may help maintain consistency. That's it. With drag and drop or shift click, you can replace shapes in seconds while keeping your diagram clean and connected.